What's going on, YouTube? We're in Burbank. Let's go. And we're going right to the shoes. Been seeing some interesting stuff on Instagram. Dude got some T-Max in a size 7. I think I saw a discount. Yep, $26. Prices going down. Wow. Got some Candace Parkers for the kiddos. 7.5. This is a women's 7.5 though. I think so. But yeah, $33. Got some McDonald's All-American Hardens right here. These are pretty fire. $40. These are a size 9. I'm becoming more and more a fan of these older Hardens. I'm not a fan of the newer ones though. Black and whites right here, size 8.5. These are actually pretty fire. I don't know how Hardens fit though. I don't know how they fit. They are going for $40. Got some Air Force One looking things right here, extra generic, but yeah, these bad boys go for $12. We're in the size 10s all of a sudden. Holy cow. Dude got some Crocs. Oh, the bottom's different on these. $25 for these. No holes either. Got some cleats, some football cleats. These are some Alpha size 10. These are going for $33. Got some extra colorful Vans right here, size 11.5, $37. Some Superstars, size 10.5, go for $40. More of these T-Mac things right here. These are T-Mac 2s, if I remember, $30. Got multiple sizes, multiple pairs. Now getting ready for the holidays. Got these things right here. These look like Nightmare Before Christmas things right here. Those are only $8. Dude got a bunch of fake foam runners right here, going for $13. And dude got these things. Remember these? People were running around trying to grab these. $20 for the Adelaide slides, the Adelaide 2022s. Pretty dope. These are size 9. Size 11, we're starting to see these, what are these? The Flyknit racers go down in price because these were marked way high, $53. Of course, we see plenty of these things right here. Multiple sizes, multiple colorways, multiple everything. Got Superstars, $40. Got Hardens here in Big Feet Gang size right here, size 13s, $40. Got some Gill Zero, size 14, $40. Then got these bad boys as well. These don't look that big, are they? I don't know. Size 12, no price tag. I don't remember how much these been going for. The material on these are so nice. Those Grant Hill 2s are fire. All right, checked the women's section. Also checked clothing, coat section, as well as activewear. Not much to show you guys. On to the next spot. All right, hopefully some better luck next door. Then, of course, here we start with Panther jerseys. Like, is this like the worst selling team? Like, I feel like we've seen so much of their apparel. $40 for these bad boys. These are medium. Nike Dry Fit running t-shirt, $17. Some of these get hella expensive. Yeah, $35 normally. Lakers team apparel, a budget option for Laker fans, $25 for these. U brand right here. Couple of New Balance running jackets, $22 for that one right there. $22 for that one as well. Interesting Nike hoodie right here. I think this is a women. No, it's a men's. $80. Normal price, $25. Ross price. This looks like a kid's or women's. This is a men's? How is this a medium? This is like small as hell. But Nike Dry Fit, $13 for these. Nike track jacket, super thin. Penn State looking colorway, $30 for these. Large, got some blank jerseys, $10 for both of these bad boys. Blue on white. Got a Niners looking jersey right here, go for $10. XL, got a couple of them, if I can get to that one. $10, not bad. Moving on to men's sneakers. There really isn't much. Holy cow, look at how small this section is. Got some Under Armours. Which ones are these? Are these the Charge? What are these? I don't know. But yeah, $47 for these, not bad. What size are these? I don't even know what size they are. Size 13, okay. They got these Light Strike Pro mid-having sneakers right here. The Takumi Sen 8s. These some running shoes, hardcore running shoes. I don't know, $40 for those. Some Crocs boot looking things. Got, okay, $40 for those. Oh, 30, my bad, 30 for those. Got these going for $10. These are size 9. These do not look like size 9s. God damn, dude. Why do these look so small? Yeah, size 9. Got some Hokas right here. These are this, what, Stinson ATR 6s? Never even heard of these. Go for $90. Got some all leather Chuck Taylors right here. Don't see these too much. Oh, this is faux leather. It doesn't even feel that good. $30 for these. Stan Smith in a size 10 going for $40. T-Max here going for $45. Is that what they were going for at Burlington? I don't remember. These look worn, dude. Yeah, definitely worn. And they still trying to get $45. What the hell? And then dude got these bad boys still. These are like a size 16, 17, or 18. These are an 18. $44. So they're being dropped even more. $44. In the women's section, look at the order. Look at how neat everything is. Look at how there's just barely any sneakers though. All right, there are some forums right here. These are size 10. These are men's, so these ain't even a women's, yo. Yeah, these are size 10 men's. $45 for these. Yeah, just a bunch of stuff like this. Some Air Force One rip-offs. Got some Vans right here, I guess. Some Vans Skate Highs going for $37. Yeah, but there's a lot of empty shelves here. All right, let's go to the next spot. All right, we in Burbank now. Let's go. I saw someone this morning who found a bunch of Airmore Up-Tempos at Burlington. The Airmore Up-Tempo, the slides. These things. The white and red one. So I'm like seeing if I can get lucky. All right, I am perusing. This is fire. This is fire right here. But it is a medium small. I got a big old dome. So yeah, I need a large, extra large. But yeah, these normally go for $38. They got them for $13. I just found it sitting right here. It is a New Era hat that is pretty fire. All right, No Airmore Up-Tempo slides. Checking the hat section because they did have that Niner hat. They got another one right here. It is, oh, it's a large, extra large. I'll grab this bad boy. Only $13. $13 for a New Era hat, and it's not, slightly dirty. It's not a snapback. Okay, just a little bit of dust that was on it. I hope it's not a low crown. I think it's a regular one. Yeah, we're grabbing this. Definitely grabbing this. Definitely a fan of it. And only $13. $13. I'm wearing a hoodie, Air Force One shorts, Air Force One basketball shorts, and then wearing some Airmore Up-Tempo slides. California, we can do that because it's kind of chilly, but not really that hot. They got a Rams one going for $13. This is a New Era Lakers hat right here. Stretch snap. What the hell that is? I've never seen that. Oh yeah, those bad boys going for $10. Normally $32. Chargers snapback right here. $41. Kind of similar. Like tie-dye top though. Lakers U brand right here. U brand hats. Go for $9. Yeah, I checked the slides everywhere. I checked the size 10, 11, 12. Also peruse the other sections. All right, let's go take a look at sneakers. Oh, we checking out random stuff. Oh, I gotta grab these. Look, ultra soft bacon boxers. Swagmeyer. That is hilarious. That is hilarious, dude. Yeah, I'm grabbing these. They're on sale for $4.50. Get some bacon and eggs. That's hilarious. That's a medium for my kiddo, that for me. All right, let's go look at sneakers, man. Dude got some soccer cleats. Gotta move these fake Yeezys. Oh, get out of here, fake Yeezys. But yeah, dude got some, I don't know what brand this is. What brand is that? I don't even know what brand that is. Don't even know the price. Damn it. Why did I decide to show those? Got no info on it. That's a size 10. Crocs right here. Going for what, $25? No holes on them again. Got these Reeboks. Nobody's been able to name these Reeboks. I've seen them. Bossco's seen them. $35 for those. And then of course we have to have plenty of Grant heels. They're being marked down, $22. Got some Fake Ultra Boost. More of these, of course. Got to have these in at least 12 different colorways marked down as well. $25 for those. Next colorway down here. These have all been smaller sizes. These marked down 27 or 26.38 for those. These are size 12. Some and ones. I don't recognize this design. This is an OG design. Is this a new one? I don't know. $15 though. Been marked down. More of these bad boys. This is a size 12 as well. $35. Is that the only size we're finding these in? Seeing a lot of markdowns. Got some D Rose right here. Everything's being marked down, it looks like, huh? $28 for these bad boys. These are huge though. These are huge. These are size 16. That's why they're marked down. In the size 11 section, do got some Donovan Mitchells. These are the volume 4s, and don't see a price tag. Dame 7s right here. I don't know what size these are. These are smaller size. These are size 7.5. $25. These Dames are fire, dude. I like these Dames. More Donovan Mitchells right here. Being marked down $25 for Donovan Mitchell. These are size 10. Definitely a solid size. More being marked down. 26 for those. What Adidas are these? What the hell are these? Alpha Bounce. Going for 40. Haven't seen those in a while. Another one of these going for $26. This is a super small size, like a size 7. The huge sizes right here, Big Feet Gang, size 16. Go for $28. These Hardens are nice, man. These some Jordan 4 lows. Jordan 4 lows. Some fake Crocs going for $7. Active Apparel, not finding too much. But I told you guys I literally go through every section. What is this? I see Mitchell and Ness. This is a throwback. This is huge though. This is huge. This is an NFL team. Why can't I figure out who this is? Why can't I figure it out? I don't know. I don't know who the hell this is. Is that a horse? I don't know. I don't know, Bronco, but there's no team information right there. Triple XL, and these are going for $30. That is fire. Finding Mitchell and that stuff here. We got a fleece hoodie, Nike fleece hoodie in a large, going for $25. This is SB. Oh, this is one of the SB ones. That's pretty fire. This is a large, $25 for Nike SB fleece. That's fire. New Balance jacket right here. Price for these mother lovers. These are $25. Pretty nice. You know, I had to check the medium for Mitchell and S. Didn't really find much. Got this tennis ball jacket right here, fleece jacket, going for $35. Normally $1.50. We've seen plenty of these before, but that's it. Nothing in a small medium. Dang it. All right, I want to hit up the Ross right across the street because we found some dope jerseys there and stuff like that. But I gotta go. I gotta go somewhere. I got an appointment that I need to hit up. So yeah, I'm grabbing these boxers right here. These boxers are just hilarious. This is for my kiddo. It is a medium, and then extra large, big old head hat right here. Grabbing these. Let's go. All right, $20 for 90s gear and some boxers. Not bad. Not bad.